Hi, today I'm for the ZTE Blade A71 and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first we should open the settings application and then tap to the sound and vibration. Here we'll see the notifications volume panel, and here we can change the volume of notifications, but if you want to change the notification sound, we should scroll a little bit down, click to ringtones, and you'll see here notification tone section. After that, just switch your currently sound to one from these available sounds. Click to OK, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.